Am I supposed to sit like this in diagonal?
Yeah, you comfortable?
No, actually no.
Momo,
I want to see what
that will not work. Oh, she can only pass that.
Yeah.
Papa is excited.
And he threw me the spoon because I was like, no me, no but. And he was like, duh. She loved it.
It's not about outsmarting. It's like I won't get into outsmarting business.
Right.
It's just like know what you're doing and just
Keep on doing.
simply living the life and connecting with the people. What do you think, Momo?
Nokia.
I think it's good.
Think it's
Already
good? I have
looking
to
like
say-
it's spiraling. Already started here.
You already started?
Yeah.
The idea is to sort of help them to.
Yeah, if you use it for the betterment of humanity,
That's it.
Then
That's
best.
it. That's the beauty.
Then that's the end.
You know, we don't want someone
That's
to.
the goal.
I don't want someone to worship me. Okay? Neither no God says worship me.
Yeah.
Neither no spiritual leader wants their follower to worship them.
Correct.
It's just people start doing it. What do you have to say about this mod? Am I right?
I didn't really listen. I was doing it.
Oh, she's working. She's doing the dreads.
But
Finally.
worshipping, you don't want this.
No, I mean, like, yeah, definitely, I don't want it. If somebody is following me, I don't want them to worship me.
Correct.
For
you
any
want to
reason.
be unnoticed. You don't want people to, ask you all the time that,
You know what I
how,
want?
why, where.
What I want to do is simple.
Hmm.
If you think any of the way which I told people has helped you, I'm happy, more than happy. I don't want you even remember me. Don't remember me.
Yeah.
I don't want you to remember me.
Correct.
Live your life blissfully and be happy. She's so focused. I love the way she's focused. Good one.
It's not gonna be removed.
सैम जी
Different.
ठीक हो? So ये आइडिया था ना सैम का. सैम ने मेरे को बोला कि व्लॉग बनाओ. तो मैंने बोला यार वैसे भी कल से मैंने कैमरा मेरा उठाया नहीं था. मैंने बोला चलो फाइनली बना ही लेते हैं. Am I supposed to sit like this in diagonal?
Yeah, you comfortable?
No, actually now I'm better.
Yeah, okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, for sure. Yeah, for sure you got to lean
Yeah, I was
when I'm
leaning.
putting you in.
Like that. Yeah. So बाकी ये बंदी जो है ना, she is one of the amazing being I ever met. Should I call you human being or just call you being?
As you want.
Being. I don't call it human because I think human have given so much importance to ourselves.
Remember, you were like, I don't mind calling name as long as.
So it's amazing to connect with some kind of energies.
It was good to meet you in Manali. I was like, oh man, gonna meet again for sure.
Yeah.
And I was in this pass of Baralachala. I was like, oh,
And I think I might have crossed you there.
no.
I'm not sure because I have passed a very massive jam. But no, you
yes.
arrived before me anyway, so I think no. You arrived one night before, right?
I think I arrived one night before.
Yeah. भाई साहब तो सीन ऐसा हो रहा है कि वी आर गोइंग टू हैव लंच और आज दिन भर बारिश हुई. कल भी बारिश हुई थी पर कल का मौसम काफ़ी हद तक बढ़िया था. लेकिन ओए हवे मैंने पानी में छप मार दिया. So we are going to have lunch and look at this. They are barking on whom? Look at them. What happened?
What have you done? Why are they barking at you?
They're barking on him. He came. He came. He came to your space. Oh, that's your space. Huh? That's your space. We can't do anything about it, my friends. तो शिकायत कर रहे हो लोग. शिकायत चालू है. वो बोल रहे हैं भाई हमारी जगह में कैसे आ गया वो सांड.
We need rock.
Momo,
We need rock.
Momo,
Okay.
can you do it?
Yes.
There's another way also. Momo, don't throw the rock. Momo, that will not work. Momo,
I want to see what
that will not work.
I'll let him pass him.
Which is right here.
Yeah, it's a one-lane road right here.
Yeah, exactly.
Momo?
Brother.
There's another road also. Do you know that?
This maybe.
No, 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 no. You'll get stuck.
I think I like this challenge right here.
She's. Hey, you guys are wearing shoes. I'm wearing very thin.
Momo, you're intense. You're
She's
intense.
Which she's wearing boots anyways.
Is it lock? It's locked. Okay.
Dude, I'm not going to go. ओए तेरे तो जूते गए. Oh, she can only pass that. Oh, Teri. Dude, I'm taking other way. I'm taking this way. I'm not taking the other one. Oh. Huh. But I've recorded Momo crossing. And this guy. This guy. He was like, oi, oi, oi. Multiple different spots. Tuk. Oi, ma. You know once what happened to me? I was walking in the paddy field in Nagaland. So I was walking and suddenly it looked like that it's a flat surface. And I put my feet inside and our feet got this much in.
No.
Paddy field. And my shoes were all muddy and all. Yeah, and then I walked barefoot. I was like, it's better.
Yeah, better.
So these are the local breads. Dude, I hope you're not taking us to the same place, eh? Hey, let's go to Central Asian Museum.
Yeah, I'm not going anywhere.
Why? It's a museum. You should definitely
Inside. Yeah, I've been, man. It's like a very museum.
You been. And this is our favorite tree
Yeah.
to cross. This is, I guess, 5th or 6th time we are crossing this.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, it is cool. And it's a fallen, it's a fallen piece of
Art.
that tree. Oh, yeah, art. Yeah.
I'm hungry and I plan on to eat food.
Okay.
Are you guys hungry or are you guys gonna
I'm
go?
not really hungry, but I can pack it.
Yeah, sure. Like I'm gonna go to this Indian place.
At least we can see it because the place he's saying, it's nicer than this one.
You kinda, if you want a low ponytail,
Okay.
or I don't know, if you I kind of twist it, do like a bun,
Okay.
and you go around opposite, and you put it inside.
Did it?
Is it fresh?
Looks nice.
Yeah.
Good. Yeah. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Thank you for capturing it.
Yeah. Teamwork makes the dream work.
That's right.
Yeah. Wait, it's coming.
Perfect. Thank you. Take your time. There's no rush.
She has all the time, eh?
About time.
It
Wow.
suits you. It suits you.
That's what I want.
Oh.
More funky.
So Momo is really happy. She found the spot.
Wow, papi. Oh.
It's
This
put it.
slowly, slowly.
Yeah.
Ah, it gets loose.
This hand making.
Ah,
Is it what I need?
Oh,
Wow, I'm having a headache. Oh,
it's tight, eh? Because of the hair,
this is
it's gonna stretch.
it's
huh?
open up.
this is no problem.
Ah. But I think you like this more because it's softer.
Yes.
Okay, I'll try again for you. Wait, my nose.
Yes. This
Yeah.
Papa is excited.
one time to belly.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yes.
And what about the last one?
This one.
Yeah,
I guess it's same, no? Like this? Oh no, same color.
it's very different, I think.
No, I think it's same.
I think it's longer.
Whatever.
I just think.
Okay. 400, 350, give me 700.
600 for the.
Both 700. Well, actually price is 350 or 750. Give me 700. Okay. Good.
650, papi.
Okay, 700 please.
650. I have 650 here.
750.
I like the conversation.
Okay, so 5.
Okay.
Can we make it for 650?
Slowly, slowly. Don't go too fast.
7. 7.
Yeah, keep your hand flat. Yeah. 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 See, better?
Thank you.
Thank you.
See, we are getting mastered here.
It's sometimes.
Oh, the treated one.
She love it.
This one. Magic ball. Open the ear. Open the.
Is it this German bakery was talking about?
Yeah.
Was talking about?
Is it the German bakery? Yeah, probably. Yeah.
Restaurant. Sommelier.
Oh, really?
One of the too much time. And there was this big chef in France, and he threw me this spoon because I was like, no mais, no but. And he was like, "Tuh!" And I received a spoon and
To the chest?
yes.
Yeah.
And I was so shocked to never reply a chef again or a teacher.
Or mother.